Welcome to Animo Retail. Today's session we will show you how to create a good receipt with a variant item. So variant item is something which can be used to manage an item with variant, something like color and size item. It is very much useful in footwear industry as well as in a sports fashion industry. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's go to good receipt functionality. Okay, to open any interface, either we can go for this menu buttons, like we can explore this menu and sub menu and the functionality, or else we can go to the search bar and start typing this functionality and then click on it, and this interface will appear in the dashboard. Okay, so this is good receipt. Now click on the new good receipt. Okay, this is reference number which we can use for the party bill number, obviously. Okay, let's start typing the name of a vendor. Okay, now what we'll do is, okay, let's start typing the style name. Okay, so this is the style number. Obviously we need to enter the style number, and a style number doesn't have a barcode. A barcode is something which is it represents a variant of a style. Like in a style you can have white color, you can have red color, you can have black color, and then under white color you can have a small, medium, large, XL if it is a t-shirt, if it is a bottom wear of like jeans or something, then it may have size something called 32, 34, 36, right? So every variant, like one color one size, like white color 32 size is having a unique barcode. White color 34 size will have a separate unique barcode, right? But a style number doesn't have a barcode, obviously. So in this case, what we'll do, we will type the style number. So to type it, you just need to type it here, and the list will appear. You select it. Now you can see all the color and sizes which are available, I mean which is created in your system. It will be visible into this interface. Like red and white, these are the sizes we have created in the system. White color 10, 7, 9, 8, 9, 11, these are the sizes we have created. In red and black, okay, these are the sizes we have created. If okay, now let's select it. 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are not purchasing 11 here. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, populate it. Now you can see all the items of this particular style have been populated. You can amend the quantity according to your requirement, like 10, 10, 12, 15, 10. Okay. All right. Done. So this is the quantity we are going to make a purchase. Okay. That's it. Now let's have a discount on this item, and let's have 20,000 discount. Okay, so I have entered the discount here. Now you click on the recalculate. So what it will do, it will divide this 20,000 in every item, see. Now at any of your item you can go and you can see what is the calculation. Like you can see the basic amount was 42340, then 1600 discount, like 20,000 we have given discount on the total bill. It has divided it into the items. Okay, so you can see that the item level discount is 1600 here. And then we do have tax. Okay, okay, maybe the tax is not configured in this one, this particular. Okay, I guess I had to do this one. Maybe the tax has not been selected perfect. I mean, when we were creating this item, maybe the tax was not configured correctly, so that is why the zero tax is coming here. Okay, okay. Once it is done, I mean, once you have applied the charges, either it is discount or it is packaging charge or any other charge, you enter it here. Okay, and recalculate and run it, and then you save this, and that is it. The good receipt is made with a variant. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll come with a new video in which we will explain you the formula and charges along with the tax component of an item, how it affect the purchase records. Thank you.